I'm George Clarke, and if you want to make a new kitchen the stunning centrepiece of your home, I believe the answer is right here at Omega Kitchens. Their showroom gives just one clue as to how this business is run differently and why I'm happy to recommend them. Because right next door, their factory has just seen a £20 million investment in state-of-the-art machinery, while the addition of a brand new warehousing facility means this site in Yorkshire now covers a massive 400,000 square feet. Plenty of room for latest precision technology, for true innovation in product design, and for nurturing the finest in British craftsmanship. And it's only possible because Omega constantly reinvests and reinvents, going from strength to strength and creating beautiful kitchens that stand the test of time. This makes Omega a great choice for your home.